Mr. Fogg is in a hurry.
He has bet that he can travel around the world in 80 days, madam.
80 days?
That's what I said.
Calcutta Station, disembark here for Calcutta.
October 25th. Departed Calcutta on the Rangoon. Neither ahead of schedule nor behind. We put in depot in Singapore tomorrow morning.
Mr. Fogg, you have been so kind to me. Without you, my fate would have been sealed. The horrors that awaited me at that temple were unspeakable, and yet you righted all the wrongs. How could I ever hope to repay you?
I ask nothing, Mrs. Oda. Everything always turns out mathematically.
Mathematically?
Precisely. I trust everything on board is fully to your satisfaction.
Everything, Mr. Fogg.
Splendid.
How beautiful the sunset is this evening. Don't you think, Mr. Fogg?
Nah. Makes it quite difficult to write one's journal.
I suppose so. Though I do think things look so much better under a golden globe.
There is something I need to tell you, Mrs. Oda.
Yes.
Something I must confess to you.
Yes.
Something that I like both you and I to do together.
Yes.
Madam, if you'd allow me,
Yes, yes.
I'd like to teach you whist.
Whist?
Yes. It's a card game. Allow me.
Monsieur Fix, if I'm not mistaken.
Fancy seeing you on the Rangoon.
Well, I thought your journey ended in Bombay.
Unfinished business, unforeseen circumstances.
Are you going around the world too?
No, nothing as exotic as all that. And just a few days in Hong Kong. Unfinished business?
Unfinished business? Huh? We've been on the Rangoon for 5 days. Strange, I haven't seen you before.
Touch of seasickness being laid out in my cabin. And how's your Mr. Fogg?
Punctual as ever. And we have a beautiful young lady with us, Mr. Fix. Saved her from savages. Magnifique.
Veritable good Samaritans, you and Mr. Fogg, huh?
This is strange. This is very strange. He should be on the same route as us so often. Something smells of poisson here. Fish. Fishy. Ah, I have it. That man Fix is a spy for the Reform Club, checking that we follow the agreed route. I shall have to keep an eye on this man.
Land ho! Hong Kong is in sight.
Heavens for small mercies.
Indeed, madam. Even going as long as we were to ride the storm, we have lost only half a day.
Half a day?
We'll be into the port on 6th of November.
But we were supposed to be in port on the 5th. We'll have missed the steamer for Yokohama.
What a stroke of luck for that man Fogg to be brought to justice.
Hong Kong. Come along, Passport 2. We have a bet to win.
But how, monsieur? We'll have missed the steamer. And there's not another one for another 8 days.
Something always turns up, Passport 2. Now, Mrs. Oda, I trust you are happy enough to search for your uncle, Mr. Gigi boy.
Of course, Mr. Fogg. You have been so kind.
Think nothing of it. Now, where should we start? A man of such great standing as Mr. Gigi boy will be difficult to find. Hey, boy. Do you know Mr. Gigi boy?
Mr. Gigi boy? You look for him, mister?
Yes, I do. Do you know the man?
Who doesn't? He's a man of great standing.
Where can we find him?
England. He go 2 years since. He make big fortune. He retired to England.
What is it, Mrs. Oda?
It's nothing, Mr. Fogg. I'm fine. You have done as you promised, and I'm thankful. More thankful than you could ever imagine.
But we have not found your uncle.
You must win your bet, Mr. Fogg. I am a distraction to you. You must not worry about me. I will find a way to survive.
Nonsense, madam. It is quite simple. You will accompany us to Europe.
I cannot ask this of you, Mr. Fogg.
You do not ask. I insist. Passport 2, reserve 3 cabins from the conductor, if you please.
Oui, monsieur.
And in the meantime, we will stay at the club hotel.
Oui, monsieur.
Passepartout. Good job. Surely this called for little celebration. By my reckoning, I think you have few hours to raise the glass to the engineer who made this all possible. And I know you are partial to little snifter. And let me assure you, you haven't experienced Asia until you have tasted the Hong Kong slinger.
Hong Kong slinger?
Madame Chang's best slinger in all China. 1 part gin, 2 part brandy, and a dash of wah-wah-hoo.
What's wah-wah-hoo? Wah-wah-hoo!
That answers your question.
Now, I need to get the tickets back to Mr. Fogg.
Wait a second. I told you that I'll show you the best sights of Hong Kong. And here's the best, the mysterious Blue Lotus.
There were treasures left unopened in this oriental den. There are places still forbidden to 100,000 men. So explore uncharted waters, there's a lot more here to do. But you'll never find the secret of the gun. It's a dragon tattoo. Take a chance on Wilma Beauty. Just observe each line and curve. Every part is an art to duty to get what you know you deserve. Come find the secret doorway to the state of Xanadu. But you'll never find the secret of the gun. It's a dragon tattoo. But I'll never tell you ever where you'll find my dragon tattoo. I've an elbow people die for. I've shoulder much to say. A bunch of secret places that I know I shouldn't name. You may see the 7 wonders and marvel at the view. But you know you'll always wonder where I keep my dragon tattoo. But I'll never tell you ever where you'll find my dragon tattoo. I leave you feeling weak. I've got bumps like the Himalayas. It's good to reach your peak. Try something more exotic, though you may think it's a taboo. There is nothing out of
Where is the Carnatic?
I'm afraid you didn't hear. The Carnatic sailed last night and not another for a week.
The Carnatic is not the only boat in the harbor, Mr.
William Ball Esquire, at his service.
I will hire a boat to Japan for myself.
But you will not find any, sir.
There's.
Hello there. Anyone looking for a boat?
Have you a boat ready to sail?
Best in the harbor, Your Honor.
And is she fast?
Like the wind. Is Your Honor looking for a little trip around the bay?
I'm going to Yokohama.
Not in my boat. You ain't. She ain't built to make such a journey.
100 pounds a day and 200 reward if I reach Yokohama in time.
I could take you to Shanghai.
That is out of the question. I need to get to Yokohama.
The steamer does not start at Yokohama. It puts in at Yokohama on its way to San Francisco. It starts in Shanghai.
You are sure of that?
Of course, I'm sure. With a swift wind and a calm sea, we can make the 800-mile to Shanghai in time for the evening of 11th of November.
How soon can we go?
How soon can you get up to the gangplank, Mihari? Welcome on board the Tankadeer. I am Captain John Bunsby at your service. And what about your beady-eyed, sly little companion there?
Mr. Ball, are you needing a passage to Yokohama?
Much appreciated, Mr. Fogg.
We'll row it to Shanghai if we have to, Your Honor. All hands on deck. Put your backs into it, lads.